Hello everyone. This is a video about complete tutorial on Google Search Console. This video will be really interesting and very informational for people who are beginners, like who are just getting into SEO or who have a website and they want to understand the data about their website. Then this video will be really useful and very informational. So let's get into the video. So this is the list of sites I have. So I'm just using my one of my travel blog. So select, once you select, here, this is the screen you will be getting. So if you guys want to know how to verify your website with the Google Search Console or how to add a website with how to add your sitemap with Google Search Console, you can check out my previous videos. I've already done those videos. So those videos will be really helpful for you to understand how to add or verify your website with Google Search Console and adding the sitemap. Adding the sitemap, it really helps to get your website index much faster. So you can also check out those two videos. So this is the tutorial we have for Google Search Console, and this is my one of my travel blog. So once you go to the dashboard, this is the dashboard you will be getting. So this is the performance. It shows like how many clicks the website has got in the last 3 months. How many pages has been indexed? 89 index pages, and 445 not index pages. They will be mostly tag pages. So user experience, say here, this side you can see mobile user experience. We have 89.5 percentage of my visitors who accessed my blog through mobile. They had very good experience, and 80 percentage they have a good experience. So these are called core web vitals, which is very useful for ranking your website and the enhancement of breadcrumbs, all these things. So once you next tab, what you got is performance tab. If you click the performance tab, it will show you the last 3 months data. So it will show how much clicks your website has got, how many impressions your website has got, and what is the average CTR and average ranking position of the website. So if you look at this blog in the last 3 months, this blog has got around 17,600 clicks and 1.7 million impressions. So that's pretty impressive, right? Okay, and this also shows this list of keywords that are bringing traffic to your impressions and traffic to your blog. So these are the keywords that are bringing me clicks and impressions to this blog here. And this tab here, the pages tab, it shows the each page. Like how many clicks and impressions are being received by each page. So you can see, I can sort this page by impressions or clicks. So this will show you the details here. And this tab countries, it will show you from which country the traffic is coming from. This blog is like completely based off India, so I got most of the clicks and impressions from India. So there are also other countries like United States, United Kingdom. They give me clicks and impressions. So this devices tab, it shows you from which device the blog is most accessed from. So in this blog's case, you can see most of the clicks has come through mobile, and very few clicks has been coming from desktop and tablet. This is a general thing. Dates, and it will show you on each dates how many clicks and impressions the blog has got. So the URL inspection, if you look at this tab is mostly to see like if the page has been indexed or if the particular page in the blog has been indexed or not. I'll show you an example. Say this is the latest blog in my page. So I'm just copying it, paste it here. So this function will retrieve the data from Google Index. This will help you to know if the a page has been already indexed or if the page is having any issues or something. See? The URL is on page. So URL is indexed by Google. Indexing page is indexed. URL is on Google. So sitemap, it is the page is detected from sitemap. When is the last time Google crawled this page? So all these the informations you will get from the page. Mobile usability is the page mobile user friendly. So all these informations you will get. This is the importance of this tab. Let me check here. The next is the indexing tab. This tab shows you how many pages are indexed, how many pages are not indexed, and what are the for the not indexed page, what are the errors you have got. So here, if you look, these are the details of pages that are not indexed. Here it says page with redirects, so around 192 pages they have a redirect, so those pages are not indexed. So around 154 pages they are excluded by no index tag, which means mostly these will be category and tag pages, so I have no index them. So there are around 404 pages that are not found. So it will show you all the details why the pages are not indexed and view data about index pages. So if you click here, you can view the data about index pages. See, 89 pages are indexed. You can see what are the pages that are indexed here and when is the last time the pages are crawled. So all the details will be getting from you. So next is the sitemap. So I've already given a video about XML sitemap. This will show you like how to add a sitemap to Google Search Console. So here you can paste the sitemap URL and you can click submit and you can see the sitemap status is successful or not. Here you can see like discover pages 84. All these things you will be getting it over here. The next tab is removals. Removal is like if you want to temporarily remove a URL from Google's index, or if you have outdated content and it is not getting removed from Google and you want to remove it, then this option is very useful. You can click add new request. You can copy paste the URL that you want to temporarily remove from Google, and this option will remove that particular page from Google's index. This is the usefulness of this removals option. So the next tab, what you have got here is experience, and this one is page experience. This shows information about how people are what kind of experience the users accessing your website are getting. In this case you can see 89.5 URLs with good page experience on mobile. So here if you look at this particular blog, the most of my traffic is on mobile. So what Google says is around 90 percentage of my people visitors who are visiting through mobile, they are having very good experience, but there are no good URLs on desktop. So maybe I have to work on improving the desktop speed or other options like page experience, user experience. So this is the data. This shows about user experience on the page. So page experience signals for mobile, core web vitals good, mobile usability good, HT uses HTTP is all good here. So desktop, there is not much information about desktop. I'm not sure if it's due to low traffic from there. Oh, no, but we have got information here. So HTTP is good, but by desktop experience is bit on a lower side. So there are no poor options, but almost all my pages, index pages, needs improvement. CLS issue, LCP issue. So thing is, it is mostly about page loading speed. So you can see here LCP large like LCP, it's taking longer than 2.5 seconds, and CLS issues more than 0.1 seconds. So these are the issues. CLS is the main important I have to take care of to get better score on desktop portions. So this is core web vitals. So you can already see like my mobile core web vital or user experience is really good. So no issues with that. Desktop, like all my indexed URLs, they really need So this shows you like how like how good your website is doing, or how good your website is loading, or what kind of experience your users are getting. So you can use page experience and core web vitals to improve your website speed and user experience for your visitors. So mobile usability, almost no issues with not usable. So this tab shows how usable your mobile is. See, as more people are accessing websites through mobile, like your website needs to be mobile friendly, and people should be able to access all parts of your website through mobile. So you can see like no issues with mobile, no issue with the mobile usability here. So all elements, no issues with the all the elements here. Everything is good. So these are the enhancements. Breadcrumbs, like breadcrumbs is nothing but it gives you the index, like it gives you like it gives your users like where they are, like where they are in the website. For example, if you're having say like in the post page, if, for example, if you're having a service section on your website, and there's a drop down menu, and there are a lot of service pages. So breadcrumbs will tell them like from homepage where they are exactly in the website. So this is the uh, like usefulness of breadcrumbs tab. Site link search box is like adding a like search box on the website, so they can search anything from the search box. So this thing, security and manual actions, will tell you whether your website has got any manual spam detection, or manually penalized by Google. So if you have any manual actions, then your website has been doing a lot of black hat SEO activities, and there are chances your website has been manually checked by someone in Google, and they have manually penalize the website. So in that case, if there's a manual action, you have to check your website's content, whether it is having a duplicate content, or your website's backlinks, like backlinks, or you got a lot of spam backlinks or something. So that you have to work on. You have to fix those issues to get relief from the manual actions. And security issues, it shows whether your website has got any malware issues, or so those kind of issues. If Google detects any of those issues, it shows here. And finally, you got this links option. So this, see, one thing with Google Search Console is earlier they used to show you all the links that has been indexed by Google. Like all the links that has been pointing to your website and indexed by Google. But now they are limiting the number of links they show. Like limiting the number of links that has been indexed, and they show it on this tool. So these are the number of links: external links and internal links. External links, or links where a link is pointing from another website to your website. Internal links, or links where you have created links within your website, like you have published a post and you have created an internal link from one post to another post within your website. That is called internal links. So you can see like this particular page has got 381 backlinks, this one 22 backlinks. So all the details you can see here, and you can see top linking sites. What are the sites that are linking to the website here? You can see Wanderlog. So all these things. So what are the top linking text? We call it anchor text. So what text is used to create those backlinks? You can get the details. Settings again, this shows like like who's the owner, all these details you get it from here. Change of address, but you can use the scroll status. You can see total crawl request done, total download size, file size, all those information you get here. Host status has no, is there any downtime in your host or something? All these details you get. You can also host response, like the okay kind of response, whether it is 301 redirect, 304, 404 error, all these things you'll be getting it. So you can see like how many in this particular blog it has 50% HTML files and 6% image files. So all these details you will be getting it here. So this is the overall dashboard of Google Search Console, and These are the informations you'll be getting about your website from Google Search Console. So to give you a short information about this video, so from Google Search Console, you will be able to see how many impressions your website is receiving for each month. You can see like how many clicks your website is receiving. How you can also see like how each page is performing, like how many clicks and impressions each page is getting, and you can also see the average ranking for your keywords. And it also shows you the number of pages indexed and number of pages that are not indexed, and it also gives you reason of why those pages are not indexed. And it also shows you information about core web vitals, like how what is the user experience, whether people who are accessing your website, they are having good experience, or your pages needs improvement, like website load speed, those kind of information they will be sharing it here. And they will also you can also check whether there is any manual penalty on your website, or if your website has been infected by any malware. So those kind of issues you can check through Google Search Console. And they also show the number of links your website has got, how many backlinks your website has got. So whatever backlinks they have indexed, they show you on the links tab. So these are the complete set of informations you will be able to access about your website through Google Search Console. So hope you like this video, and if you like the video, kindly comment on the video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. And also please hit the bell icon, so like you get notifications when I upload my next video. And thanks for watching the video. See you soon with a new informational video. Thank you.